are pleased to show you the 2020 Acura MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV thanks to its high safety scores, strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.